Why gamers are ditching TVs for this? BenQ TH671ST Projector Review. Mind-blowing or meh? Ever felt like your gaming setup is just disappointing? You're grinding through laggy matches, squinting at tiny screens, or constantly battling glare that kills immersion. It's like your gear is sabotaging your focus and your victories. You drop serious cash on consoles or PCs, yet your display holds you back. Sound familiar? Maybe you're stuck with a clunky TV, or your old projector just isn't cutting it in bright rooms. Trust me, we've all been there, frustrated, overwhelmed, and watching our dreams of epic gaming marathons fade into pixelated nightmares. And that's exactly why this video will blow your mind. Now imagine this. It's Friday night, your squad's ready, adrenaline's pumping, and your setup lags behind. Crushing deadlines at work are bad, but gaming while fighting input lag? Unforgivable. Your monitor's too small, your TV's too slow, and every frame drop feels like a missed headshot. You know the pain, half the match wasted adjusting settings, half wondering why your enemies see you first. And don't even get me started on shadow casting projectors ruining tight spaces. The burnout hits hard, your kill streak crashes, and suddenly, gaming feels like work. What's worse? You start blaming yourself. But maybe, it's not you. Enter the BenQ TH671ST Full HD Gaming Projector, your ultimate respawn. This beast isn't some gimmick, it's a high brightness, 3000 ANSI lumen, low lag, short throw game changer. With its buttery smooth 16.67 milliseconds response time and microsecond DMD refresh, this projector doesn't just keep up, it leads the way. Projecting a whopping 100 inches from just 1.5 meters, it turns cramped spaces into cinematic battlegrounds. Whether you're fragging noobs, swinging swords, or racing at 200 miles per hour, the TH671ST wraps your senses in glorious 1080p Full HD. It's sharp, fast, and outrageously immersive. Finally, your display matches your skills. So what's in it for you? Say goodbye to screen envy and hello to massive, vibrant gameplay even in daylight, thanks to 3000 lumens of retina-popping brightness. Auto keystone, zoom flexibility, and plug-and-play HDMI inputs make setup stupidly easy. Built-in speakers kick off your sessions, while vertical keystone correction keeps visuals clean from any angle. The short throw design means no shadows, no setup drama, just pure gaming glory. Sound tempting? Thought so. Stick around, because in this video, I'll show you exactly how the TH671ST can transform your living room into an esports arena in minutes. Thousands of gamers are already unlocking next-level immersion with the BenQ TH671ST, and now it's your move. Stock doesn't last long, and every second you hesitate is another night stuck with weak screens and weaker wins. Don't let lag and glare steal another match. Smash that link, grab your TH671ST, and join the players who've upgraded from basic setups to massive, mind-melting visuals. Why settle for ordinary when victory looks this epic? Your games deserve the big screen. You deserve the big screen. Click now, level up, and claim your spot on the winner's podium. Time's ticking, go.